Allegedly, there were crew members. The vessel was disabled or something, had something happen offshore where the crew members were taken off the vessel, and it drifted here to this beach. I don't know exactly where the persons were taken off at or anything else, but the owner's aware that the vessel's here and is making plans and preparations to remove the vessel in the near future. It's about a 50-foot steel hull, commercial fishing vessel, targets shrimps.
It's pretty wild to see it out on the beach. Not something that you see every day, so kind of interesting.